everyone, welcome back to my channel where we make Korean language easy. Today we are going to focus on one specific consonant part. First, let's learn how to write part. It consists of 3 strokes, a small horizontal line and a longer below it on each side at the bottom. Remember to write from top to bottom and left to right. Now let's talk about the pronunciation. Part sounds very similar to the English or Myanmar part sound. One is just a syllable. This is soft, sounding sound like top. I hope this helps you understand how math better. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Ha, na, ja, ra, la, ma, sa, sa, a. Ja, cha, ka, cha, ha, ha. Ha, 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 ha.